Telepathy.
Yes.
Can human beings communicate by thought alone? For more than a century, the issue of telepathy has divided the scientific community, and even today it still sparks bitter controversy among top
academics.
Yes. Since 1970s, parapsychologists at leading universities and research institutes around the world have raised the derision of skeptical colleagues by putting the various claims for telepathy to the test in dozens of rigorous scientific studies. The results and their implications are dividing even the researchers who uncovered them. Some researchers say the results constitute compelling evidence that telepathy is genuine. Other parapsychologists believe the field is on the brink of collapse, having tried to produce definitive scientific proof and failed. Skeptics and advocates alike do concur on one issue, however.
Do concur or conquer?
Concur.
Okay.
And that the most impressive evidence so far has come from the so-called Ganzfeld experiments, a German term that means whole field. Reports of telepathic experiences had by people during meditation led parapsychologists to suspect that telepathy might involve signals passing between people that were so faint that they were usually spawned by normal brain activity. In this case, such signals might be more easily detected by those experiencing meditation like tranquility in a relaxing whole field of light, sound, and warmth. The Ganzfeld experiment tries to recreate these conditions with participants sitting in soft reclining chairs in a sealed room, listening to relaxing sounds while their eyes are covered with special filters, letting in only soft pink light. In early Ganzfeld experiments, the telepathy test involved identification of a picture chosen from a random selection of 4 taken from a large image bank. The idea was that a person acting as a sender would attempt to beam the image over the receiver, relaxing in the sealed room. Once the session was over, this person was asked to identify which of the 4 images had been used. Random guessing would give a hit rate of 25%. If telepathy is real, however, the hit rate would be higher. In 1982, the results from the first Ganzfeld studies were analyzed by one of its pioneers, the American parapsychologist Charles Honiton. They pointed to typical hit rates of better than 30%. A small effect, but one which statistical tests suggested could not be put down to chance. The implication was that the Ganzfeld method had revealed real evidence for telepathy, but there was a crucial flaw in this argument, one routinely overlooked in more conventional areas of science. Just because chance had been ruled out as an explanation did not prove telepathy must exist. There are many other ways of getting positive results. This ranged from sensory leakage